looking at the 4 important functions that are related to the date, year, month and day, which are important functions while doing a data analysis on the data which is having year, month and day. Kind of a date format data is there, from which we have to extract in which year, in which month, in which day. So like when we do a analysis on a year on year basis, month on month basis, day on day basis, then this kind of formulas are very much useful. This kind of functions are very much useful. So let's start. So first, in the date, type in equal to, then DATE, date, then open bracket. The syntax for the date is year, month and day. We have to provide year, month and day. So year I will provide, like for example right now 2023. Then the month I will provide as 11, and that is November, and the day I will provide as 30. So this way it will take the date. Now it may happen that we provide some different kind of date, like for example 39 as a month day. So see what will happen. So we'll just type in date, then year as 2023, 11, and then I will write 39. Let's see what it will give. It will add that 39 into the 9, and it will directly get to the 9th of December. So you have to make sure that whatever the day you are adding in it, it is importantly written properly. If it is not, then it will add that remaining days or days of that month to the next day, month, and it will carry forward. Now to extract the year, what we will do, equal to YEAR, year, then open bracket. The syntax is simple, just you have to give year, open bracket, and give the serial number. Serial number is basically the date from which you want to extract the year. So I want to extract the year from this date, so I will just type in C2 and close the bracket, then enter. Here I am getting the date, year of the month, year of the given date. Now I want to have a month. So how to do that? Equal to MONTH, month, and then open bracket. Again, very simple syntax for this month also, that MONTH, month, open bracket, serial number. Serial number is the date from which you want to extract the month. So I will just type in this and enter. Close the bracket, enter. I am getting the 11th month. Now day, a simple format again for the day, equal to DAY, day, then open bracket, and then give a serial number. Serial number is again the date from which you want to extract the day, then close bracket, enter. I am getting 30 as the day, 11 month, year as a 2023. Now if I just copy this all and I just paste it here, I will get the 9th day, 12th month, 2023 for the another date. So I hope you understand what are these 4 functions, date, year, month and day, which are important functions while doing a data analysis, while doing the algorithm development related to the calendar. Calendars means date, year, month and day. So I hope you really understand it. See you into the next video. Thank you.